आपने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली।
You have taken words right out of my mouth.
जो गरजता है वो बरसता नहीं।
A barking dog seldom bites.
दूर के ढोल सुहाने।
Distant drums sound sweet.
एंड नाउ यू से आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर।
Your wish is my command.
द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आपने मेरा नाम मिट्टी में मिला कर रख दिया है।
You have dragged my name through the mud.
एंड घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर।
Wisdom is not appreciated at home.
जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी।
As you sow, so shall you reap.
And the next sentence is, let's see what's coming, and you will have to say in English this one also. वो मंजर देखकर मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए।
That incident made my hair stand on end.
Well done. Yes. नाच ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा।
A bad workman always blames his tools.
Well done. And the next sentence is, yes, Afia. मैं उसकी बातों को दिल पर नहीं लेता, बल्कि एक कान से सुनकर दूसरे कान से निकाल देता हूँ।
I don't take his words on my heart. I rather let it go from one ear and out the other.
Great job. And उस पर शैतान सवार है।
Devil is riding on his shoulders.
Great job. So it means you are practicing at home. That is why you are able to answer me properly. Okay. The next sentence is, अकलमंद के लिए इशारा काफ़ी है।
A hint is enough for the wise.
Well done, Akshay. Great job. And now you say, जैसा देश वैसा भेष।
When you are in room, do as the Romans do.
When you are, let's see, the last sentence is here, and what is the sentence which you are going to say? Just let me read. Wow. दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है।
Once bitten, twice shy.
Great job.